The number one question I get through all my social media platforms is, how do I record my POV rides? But today, I'm going to give you all my secrets. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Bonnie Bike YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you the easiest way to record your POV rides, and you only need three things: an action camera, a microphone and your mobile. That's it. No special laptop, no special PC, no expensive editing software, just those three things. I've been making POV videos now for coming on 2 years, and I found this is the easiest way to go out and just enjoy the ride and also record it. So I use the DJI Osmo Action 4 along with the Mic 2. I think this is a really good combo, as a microphone connects direct to the camera, which means you don't have to overlay the audio in post. For me, this is a real bonus because you get to go out and enjoy the ride and not worry about starting your microphone and then starting your camera separately. I mount the Osmo Action 4 on my helmet and place a microphone either in a backpack or my jean pocket, and I find this gives me the best audio with minimal wind noise. So let's talk about the video settings. As you may have seen before, I messed off the ND filter. This is purely optional, so my settings are based around using this. I record at 4K 30 frames per second and I use Rocksteady. I then go into Pro menu, Exposure, and set my shutter speed at 1/80 and my ISO at 100 to 1600. I'll leave white balance on auto, my colour at D-Log M, and my field of view ultra wide. For image adjustment, I reduce the sharpness and noise reduction by -2, and that's it. And then there's the all-important audio. I have my low cut 10 on. I set my gain to -8, but this can vary depending on where I put the mic, but this is a good starting point. I also like to turn off the noise reduction, as when I've used it in the past it sounds really digital and I don't really like that. So you're back home, you've been out for your nice ride, and now it's time to start editing your video, and this is where it gets really simple. All you have to do is connect your camera to the MIMO app. In here you can look back at your videos and pick which one you want to start editing. The first thing I do is watch through the video, and I try and find a nice 10 to 30 second clip where I can trim around. I then start editing. All I do is turn on log recovery and then jump into the filter section. You can reduce the filter strength to suit your needs. Once I've done that, I'll jump over into the colour, maybe mess around with the exposure, the shadows, the highlights, and then temperature. Once that's all done, I'll either export the video at 1080p, or if I want to do some more editing in a different app, I'll download in 4K. How simple was that? I really hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give it a like. If you're new around here, please subscribe. And if you do make your own video, please make sure you tag me on Instagram and I'll reshare them to my story. But in the meantime, take care of yourself, ride safe, and I'll see you soon.